In this video, we'll be showing you how to efficiently lay heavy wall drip lines using a heavy wall drip line manual dispenser. Pay attention to safety precautions before handling machinery. Ensure the dispenser is aligned with the exact location where you want the drip line to be laid. For optimal installation, we recommend a team of 2 operators to lay the drip line. Leave an additional 1 meter length of drip line on both ends of the field for other system component connections. The first operator takes the end of the drip line and carefully guides it alongside the field. Once the end of the field is reached, plus the additional meter, the second operator cuts the drip line. The dispenser is then relocated 1 meter in front of the spot designated for laying the next drip line. Continue the process systematically across the entire field. Here's what to do if you run out of a drip line coil midway. Once these steps are done, continue laying your drip line as before. That's all for now. For additional assistance, be sure to reach out to your local Netafim representative.